Welcome to Marawa. We've just called in for something to eat, top up some water, top up some fuel, and then we're going on to our camp spot. But this is downtown Marawa. She's pretty. Not much happening on a Saturday morning though. Still in Marawa, and on our way out to the dump point and to fill up with some fresh water, I came across these two cars. And these cars were painted as part of Youth Week Project 2022. Art on Wheels Marawa. Drug Aware Youth Week Project for 2022 was initiated by the Shire of Marawa with 18 young local people who designed and painted these two cars to create a unique, striking public awareness with drug awareness messaging. How cool is this? I love this sort of stuff. Hey, that's cool. Love it. They've got lots of these nifty little artwork in town. And it's on the side of the road. It's really wicked. It's probably not the right word to use in 2022. Cool. Not bad, hey? Throughout the Midwest, on the wildflower tours, you've got different sections that you go through Mininu and through Marawa, Malawa, out to Yalgoo. They've all got wildflower trails, and you'll see a lot of these sculptures while you're out and about. And I think they're very clever. And it makes a lovely photo. But these type of sculptures are scattered throughout the Midwest. And they look lovely. Spinning you around, hopefully not too fast. And there's Ed and Gibbo filling up with water. And that is Malawa. There's a few more signs that have got nice artwork on them, so I'll see if I can catch it. You'll see these signs throughout the wildflower trails, and each small town has different types of flowers. So this is Marawa's sign. Start again. This is what I enjoy seeing when we come out to all these country towns, is the artwork. It's just beautiful. Look at all those colours. And it comes in the strangest places. And it's really cool. Alright, back to Ed. He's just about finished with his water. We've filled up here, and we have filled up in a few other small towns, and we found that the water is fine, but we do have a filter on our water. Pump. Tonight we're having Penang chicken with noodles, and we have made it with Penang, dropped in some egg noodles, some chopped up chicken, frozen vegetables, and some coconut milk, which I will show you. As you can see, our band is quite messy, and the coconut milk is this coconut milk. And what's good about using that coconut milk is Ed and Shaz Adventures on the Road. We have our little hint for you for today. We don't use our microwave as a microwave. We even don't use our microwave at home that often. So what we use is we turn it into a storage unit. We keep all our rice, our pastas and our noodles in here, and our wraps we keep in these flat containers when they're open, because they're brilliant, because they keep them nice and fresh. So we just pop them in there. As you can see, I've got all my goodies in there. Close it down, and Bob's your uncle. Stays fresh. That's our hint for today. Bye.
Right, here we are, the cliffhead again. Got some coals going at the moment. We've got this, what do you call it, damper cook-off. We've made a couple. I've got one in the car at the moment. Under the cloth there. Put some yeast in it, and right, isn't it? Good. I haven't told Sam what's in it though. She's been trying to get it out of me. It's just one of my recipes, stupid in the head, so I haven't shown you what I've done. Just hopefully it turns out. If not, bad luck. I'll try again. So what I've done is coals in the bottom. Can you see that? Coals in the bottom, coals in the top. Cook it for 40 minutes and it should come out A1. Right, let's have a walk to the beach. The tribe's fishing. Done a bit of fishing before. Put some rods up. See what tonight does. You never know your luck. That's all it is, isn't it? Luck when you're fishing. Right. So the beach is a pretty calm day today. Still a lot of weed around. Not in the water though, all on the shore. Let's have a look. Not many campers around. Well, here we are. Back of me. Kids are swimming on noodles. Nathan's got a piece of weed at the moment. Looks like he had a bit of a fight getting that in. It fell off right at the shore. Unbelievable. He lost his weed.
Lost your weed?
Yeah, it's incredible. He's baiting up again. He uses chicken. Nothing but chicken. Actually, you can see your slick. Your chicken oil out there. Yeah, see it? Right, the kids are canoodling on the noodle. pretty good day, isn't it? Oh, we've got some more fishing over there. I reckon they might be more lucky than us. Oh, we got one there, Noah. This is how Noah fishes. Noah, you're pretty active, aren't you?
Yep.
Hey, you catching anything? Why not? This is the new way of fishing. As you see, no tension on that line. They could have anything. Noah's just about asleep. I will leave him. Or are you sunbaking?
Yep, sunbathing.
He's sunbaking. Alrighty-o. So, Shaz, what are you cooking?
Can you do that again?
Hey?
Can you ask me again?
Shaz, what are you cooking?
We're cooking chili con carne for the kids tonight. So the kids are having nachos.
Yeah.
And we are probably going to have wraps. So I've got two packets of 500 gram beef and pork mince. I've got a tin of tomatoes, I've got a tin of kidney beans, I've got 2 onions, grated carrots, grated zucchini, but we won't tell the kids that, and 600 mils of water. And it's just slowly cooking up.
There you go.
So that's what it looks like.
That's what it looks like. And Shaz's been sitting in the van cooking, and she never turned the Sirocco on. That's why she's a bit sweaty.
Yes. So we will have, because we keep everything in our microwave, the adults will have tacos and the kids will have nachos.
And there you go.
So that's the final dinner on the road with the tribe.
With the tribe. Yeah. Right, going up one of these hills up here and see what the view is from the top. Got trusty Gibbo with me. Annoying too. Right, here we go. Look where we're walking. It's a Billy Goat trail. Right, here we go. It's not too bad up here. Oh, look at that. Go a bit higher. Bit of a view. This is the highest we can go. Oh, double G. It blows good in your feet. Oh, look at that. Bit of the ocean. Scrub. This is the view from the top. As you can see, ocean's pretty calm. Right, distance you say the tribe. Got the Burundies, whatever you want to call them. Not a bad area here. Look at this. Yeah, that's where we camp. Rightio, I can go and check the damper. It's burned. I have to tell you, it's burnt. The coals down the bottom were a bit too hot. Coals on top.
He made a football.
He calls it a football.
Yep.
Right, that's the outcome. Oh, might be alright on the inside. We'll give it a cut. Let it cool down. We'll give it a cut. Might only be the outside that's burnt. So I got the outside burning bit off, and look what we got. Not much left. It's actually not too bad. You like that, hun? Noah?
Yep.
So it was burnt on the outside?
Yep.
Doesn't always mean it's burnt, isn't it?
Yep.
So they didn't get that football.
Sadly.